Hello Pisces, we're ending the reading off today with you Pisces, the so-called last zodiac sign. I am your host Vanessa Carby. Pisces, let's go into your, wait, what is spread there? What is spread there? Getting over your ex, Pisces. I know getting over your ex can be very hard, Pisces. We know this. But you should know that a lot of things lie beyond the waters when it comes down to relationships. Not everything we see is what is real. Alright? So Pisces, let's go ahead into your reading, closing off with you. So what lessons do you learn from this breakup, Pisces? We have the 9 of Cups. I'm getting the breakup left you with a drinking problem. Maybe when you just met your ex, you started to drink with them as a recreational thing. I'm getting they left you, but they left the habit of drinking on you. I'm also getting, though, you learn about independence. Maybe you were left with kids. I'm getting you learn to take care of kids. You learn to clean up after kids, how to wash them bottle, how to... I'm getting you learn about kids. I'm getting you're a man and you learn about the kids that this woman left you with. Or I'm getting you decide you want to take the kid. What can you do to find peace right now? We have a 2 of Swords. You don't know where peace comes from. I'm getting that you're taking care of kids, so you can't have a girlfriend. That's what you think. Or that's where, or I'm getting the baby's a girl. So you don't know how you feel to meet other women now. Because this is the only woman in your life. I'm getting it's your baby girl. So I'm getting, there's no peace right now. You don't have time to think. You're just taking care of kids. How can you forgive yourself and your ex? You have a 9 of Swords. You can't do that either. Your ex left you, she walked out on you with kids. That's not something you can forgive. You can never forgive her for that. You can never understand how she could do that. How could you abandon us? How could you abandon your kids? How could you do this? This is what you're saying. But while you're saying this, you could be drunk. So keep that in mind. And if you're not drunk, I'm getting, while they said this, you just wish that she would have come back or come to her senses. Okay? When will you be ready for your next relationship? The 6 of Wands. I'm getting, you leave? What? So maybe you live in our house, I'm getting a man you live with him is a drunk. I'm getting every day you wish him to get better, you wish him could have stopped. You go sleep, him have lick up on him breath, him coming on the bed drunk, he even want to touch you, you don't want to touch him. So I'm kind of getting you going to leave unannounced to him. You're going to leave while him drunk in a bed. Him going to get drunk and coming on the bed, come try to have sex with you, him going to be so drunk, he's going to get up and pack things and leave. Him going to pass out in the bed. I'm getting you leaving with this child. If that's a different story from the first story I just said. If that's not it, me getting you cannot get over that the woman you were with left. And if you had more than one kid, she left with one and gave you one. Or something like that, you just can't believe. So me getting you still really traumatized and bitter about the fact of how this woman could leave you with a child. You don't really, yes, you're a man, you're a father, but you don't know nothing about raising a kid. Me getting, you know, not like the pampers on back ways. And me getting it's okay though, you're learning, but me getting like somebody really abandon you when you don't know, like, know how to do nothing. Like somebody just never want. I don't know if it was somebody kept getting drunk or what was the issue. How can you prepare for your next relationship? The Queen of Pentacles. So yeah, me getting this is who you want. You want somebody who would come in, take care of you, take care of the house, take care of the family. Somebody who never, they are around on money or sex. Because even though the serpent had the pentacle in front of her, she's not reaching for the pentacle because she's not tempted. Like you're tempting her to eat the apple, but she have an apple tree in the backyard. She can go eat apple anytime she want. Or you tempt her here, take this one. You're like, but yeah, but I have money. But getting the next person who you want coming in your life, one, you want to make sure them don't leave, you want to make sure them stable emotionally. Because getting your last girlfriend wasn't emotionally stable. Maybe she used to hurt herself too. Or you're scared she would have hurt herself. But getting the next relationship is going to be with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman. Somebody who likes to be home, likes to take care of the home, like to take care of kids. That's what you want. Because I'm getting you just upset of what this woman did to you. Now, maybe the new girlfriend not going to look like the kids where you have. She might be a different ethnicity than the kids where you have. But I'm getting she very stable and she treat them like her own. We have Spirit attached. And I'm getting some alcohol spirit. We have Temperance. That's the angel though. So I'm getting a new woman going to be an angel to you. We have the Magician. We have a Chariot, a police officer. We got a Warts. And what is this? Oh, we have Enemy. And we're going to go one more time. One more time. So we got Scorpio, we got Sagittarius, and we got Cancer. Gonna leave it here. Thank you so much for watching.